Pagka destiny ng isang tao, hindi mo maiwasan yun, di ba? Bakit sinabi kong destiny? Kasi 17 years ago, na naginip ang inyong hinirang na anak dito, 17 years ago, bago.
If you believe that you have a soul, then you believe in God. If you do not believe that you have a soul, then you are not a believer of God and you are lost. I am sorry for you. Doon ka sa pinakamainit na... matagal na ako sa Mindanao. Nakikita ko itong maggugulo to. So the reason why umiikot ako, because Mindanao is a troubled land. And noon...
Maganda yan. Friends to all, enemies to none. Yun ang neutrality. That is the essence of what you'd call your being neutral. Wala tayong kalaban, wala naman tayong...
He was respected by ASEAN leaders, and leaders all over the world are clamoring for his leadership. And we thank God for that, because that is just what a Filipino should be. In equal terms and at par with...
He is the friend of the appointed son. Mabigat. Yan ang passport ko. Pero kung ganoon ako, mahulog ako sa hell, pagka-addict ka na, you are a useless. You cannot be productive. You are already a burden to society. So pag nandiyan ka, lalakad yan sila parang... Ngayon pag-corrupt, itong police mo, chief of police mo, corrupt lahat yan. What is the problem of the police? Sabi mo ito, anong problema dito? How do you solve a problem?
Daan-daang residente mula sa 22 barangay ng Tondo ang dumalo sa isang town hall meeting upang alamin ang mga plataporma ni senatorial candidate Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. Ang pagpupulong ay nagbigay daan sa mas malalim na pagkilala sa advokasya ng butihing pastor na naglalayong wakasan ang...
Kasi yung iba, posisyon, pag nag-presidente, masaya, may power, gano'n. Duterte is different. When he looks at the situation of the position, he sees the problem that he has to solve with regards to that position. So he sees